kids museum with a long name. Big Places!
I think they might be getting ready to call for
Good pattern, really?
What colors are they?
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red.
Why'd you pick those?
Because I like them. It's Excalibur! This is Bob, the snake. He's like a kind of that giant snake that my dad was telling me.
An anaconda?
Yes.
Okay. What does he eat?
What do anacondas eat?
I don't know. Pigs?
I guess pigs.
So he likes bacon, is that what I'm hearing?
Yes.
Okay. Is it Tom or Bob?
I meant Tom.
It's Tom the snake?
Yes. It says it on the back.
What's yours named?
Joni.
Joni?
No, Johnny.
Johnny.
Beard.
He has a beak?
Beard.
Oh, a beard. Mommy, what are you building?
If this doesn't fit together. Thought maybe it did.
The Tesseract.
Oh boy, from the hit movie what?
Thor,
Avengers.
Avengers, something.
Yeah, it's in Thor too, I think.
Tesseract blue.
Well, I messed up on that, didn't I?
Everything, let me see it. What?
Bridge.
It's beautiful.
They like you walk. They do.
I'm not finished.
Wow.
When the drum beats go, play this.
Now, I made this house for Tom.
Who's Tom?
He's my snake. The back is like, that's the back. This is the front. My
That's your what?
igloo.
Where do people live in it?
Here. Igloo.
Good job.
Little boy, what piece do you need to finish yours?
I need a piece like these, with just two squares.
Dun dun dun!
Here we go.
Bum 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 bum. Dun
I made a wheel. Ah!
Now, are you trying to make an arc reactor from Iron Man?
Yeah, that's it. I need a circular piece that'll fit these, but I don't think there is one. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Here. It doesn't want to.
Hey! So we're over here with the kids doing something, and then over there, so you see, right there, it's my father-in-law still building. And again, over here are the kids.
I think he's doing the London Eye.
Oh, okay.
He was wanting to make the arc reactor. Is that what it's called?
From Iron Man?
Yeah.
I'm working away right here. Just working away on something. What? Ew!
I thought you liked that.
I do, but a dead bat in a container is kind of gross. Ew! Spider! You gotta go show us what you built.
Okay, come here.
Another thing.
This will roll better too. Watch.
I want you to tell me you're an engineer without telling me you're an engineer.
The Tesseract as well. And inside of it, there was Red Skull.
Go for it.
Hey, I'm I'm gonna break your melody. Ah!
Ominous. You're messing me up. That's supposed to be like the countdown to like total destruction or something.
Digging for some bones, Lily?
What'd you find? Did you find a dinosaur in there?
Ohio shit.
Right here. This one's goldy. That one's shiny. This one's other shiny. And then this one, it's a suckerfish. My sister named it Cheetah.
What do you call it?
It's all sticking up. It
I
just
called it suckerhead.
All right, teacher mommy, tell us about the caterpillars. Which side is the front and which side is the back of the caterpillar?
So find the dinosaur. But
It's medium. And it's giant. That one.
yeah, that would be.
Why can't we go?
Everybody gets a chance to find a bug, so in the future we're probably going to each find about 2 mice.
Go compare it to the thing and determine which bucket you.
What do you got?
Ant-Man. Moth.
What is that? A moth?
Mothra. So, what did you think of the Kids Museum of Discovery?
It was fun.
Discover anything new?
Well,
Do you like making your snakes?
Yeah. Here's Gerald.
Gerald and Tom. Tom and Gerald.
I thought it was Bob.
No, it's Tom.
Would they get a pink ribbon if we had a pink ribbon to give them?
Yes. Places, like and subscribe.
If you like this video and want to see more family content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.